In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in FTMO. Before we jump in, there's one crucial clarification. With FTMO, you aren't depositing funds into a trading account the way you would with a traditional broker. Instead, you're paying a fee to purchase an FTMO challenge. Think of it as an evaluation entry fee, not trading capital you can withdraw. That distinction will make the process much clearer. To get started, head to the FTMO website and create your account. Click on the client area and sign up with a valid email you can access easily, since all important notifications will arrive there. Set a strong password and keep your login details private. Once your account is ready, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, choose the challenge you want to purchase. Select the account size that fits your plan, such as 10, 25, 50, or 100,000. Pick your preferred trading platform, MT4, MT5, or CTrader, based on what you're comfortable using. Then choose the evaluation type, either one-step or two-step, depending on how you prefer the assessment process to work. This selection is exactly what you're paying for: access to the evaluation parameters and a challenge account under those settings. After you've made your choices, proceed to the payment page. You'll see all available payment methods displayed. The instant options are usually the simplest and fastest. Debit or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Skrill typically process right away, letting you receive your challenge details within minutes. If you prefer other methods, you can pay with cryptocurrency, such as BTC, USDT, or ETH, which can take up to 24 hours to confirm. A bank transfer is also available, but be aware it may take 2 to 5 business days to clear, and your bank might apply currency conversion or transfer fees. Make sure the name on your payment method matches your FTMO account to avoid delays. Complete your payment by entering the required card, wallet, or crypto details and confirming the transaction. You may be prompted for additional verification by your bank or provider. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once payment is successful, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation. FTMO typically delivers your challenge account very quickly after payment. If you used a slower method, allow the stated timeframes. Check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see the message. When it arrives, log back into your client area to access your challenge credentials and you're all set.